Family owned and operated for over 40 years, Ray Chevrolet is a General Motors Mark of Excellence dealership. Enjoy the best selection at the best price, and if you don't see what you want, let us find it for you. Don't forget about our award-winning service, and remember to ask about our complimentary loaner cars. Here's your new Chevrolet. The car that will meet your needs, the 2011 Chevrolet Impala. At 29 miles per gallon, the 3.5-liter V6 Impala offers highway fuel economy others can't match. Even the larger 3.9-liter V6 engine on the LTZ offers an efficient 27 miles per gallon highway. Consider the luxurious front bucket seats with leather appointments and premium sound with the Bose 8-speaker system. Chevy Impala is also about roominess and flexibility, with seating for up to 6 and ample space to store your stuff with the segment-exclusive flip and fold rear seat that's standard on the LTZ and available on the LT with a luxury edition package. Add to that technologies such as turn-by-turn navigation and OnStar. Chevy Impala earned the highest possible crash test rating, 5 stars, for frontal crash tests. Technologies such as the StabiliTrak electronic stability control system will help you stay on the roads. In the event of a crash, Impala comes equipped with OnStar automatic crash response. The 2011 Chevy Impala, the full-size car more people depend on. At Ray Chevrolet, our inventory changes daily, and if you don't see what you're looking for, just ask and we'll find it for you. Call or stop in today, and remember to print this page and present it to our internet team for special savings. Ray Chevrolet is conveniently located at 39 North Route 12 in Fox Lake, Illinois.